Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you how to make a spicy stir-fried bell peppers.
What ingredient that we have?
The ingredient that we have is soy sauce, tofu, green onions, peanuts, green bell peppers, Khmer spice paste, red pepper and salt.
What do we do first?
First, we're gonna turn on the fires and put a little bit of oil. And next, we add Khmer spice paste. And tofu. Stir it until it smells good. And we add red peppers. And next we add green peppers. Fry it until it softness. Now we add peanuts. And next we add soy sauce. And sauce.
Wow, it smells so good.
Yes. Now it's cooked, we are going to put on the plate. The end we add green onions.
Wow, it looks so yummy.
Yes. And we add some chilies to make a spice. Now the food is finished. I hope you guys make it at home. Thank you for watching.